Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is going to be your daily reading for your general energies and also for your love energy, Scorpios. So let's see what's coming up for your general energies, guys, and then we will be moving on to your love energies. For your general energies, Scorpios, what is coming up? How is today going to be for you all? We have the Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, King of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, High Priestess. Okay, so with these cards, first let's start with the Knight of Pentacles. If you can see this Knight, what he is doing is that he's guarding something as well as he's looking out for his stable environment. So you guys are really guarding yourselves, making sure that you don't trust anyone. You're making sure that your safety is first, okay? And you just want to protect yourselves from the people around you. You're so sure that some people will stay that way they are, so you don't want to change anyone. Instead, you're coming out of a situation, okay? Today will be a day where you just view life like an overall scene you see, and you figure out what is meant for you and what is not meant for you. You see that some things are meant for you and you go towards those things. For some of you, I see that you view some things that are not meant for you and you don't go or you don't see those things, okay? You only concentrate on what is meant for you and you stay by that, okay? I hope you get that energy. You don't care about some things that don't matter to you. Instead, you only care about things that really matters to you. With the Queen of Swords, this queen is a very brave and a very young, single and a very good characteristic person. So what I see here is, Scorpios, you guys are changing. You guys are becoming strong. You guys want to be this strong male or female who can have this stability in their life and who everyone wants but still can't have, or that kind of a person. And I see here that many people have crush on you, but then you don't care. You don't care because you feel like if you invest your time and energy on this particular person, it is not going to become a successful one, or you don't have trust in anything. You don't trust this particular person, or you don't have that trust in anything, okay? And you really feel bad because you cannot trust anyone, and you feel bad because you think that everything won't turn out the way you want it to be, but that trust is actually missing for you all. Maybe someone you've trusted is kind of cheating you, or someone you've trusted is hurting you, so which is definitely bringing you to this energy where you cannot trust anyone and you feel really dull, okay? You feel dull and sick to trust people, and that is giving you this very sick energy. You feel like you have done so many things, but then people around you are not actually coming towards you, or you feel like you've done whatever it takes to have such people in your life, but then they do not love you no matter what. Or maybe because of your differences or something, I don't know, there's a lot of things coming up. I should have just drawn 3 cards because if I took 5 cards and so many energies. So with the King of Pentacles, again, stability. So that's that stable environment which is missing. Your person feels like they cannot give you the stable environment or the stable connection that you expect from them, because maybe your lifestyle is different from this person, or like many things are there to differentiate you from others. So that is the main reason why you don't fit in with this person. So that's what I see here, okay? with the Eight of Wands and with High Priestess, you guys Your intuition is at its peak. You actually know why this person left, or you'll like, if you have some arguments today, or today will be a day where you follow your intuition. Okay, you will do what you have to do. You will make sure that you do whatever you have to do. Make sure you achieve your goals, your dreams, and you concentrate on those things, and you don't waste your time on some things that no longer serve you, or you don't waste your time on things that no longer give you that amazing feeling. Okay, that's how you are. Or maybe some things had taught you to be this way, and maybe it made you change this way. For some of you, with the 8 of Wands, what I see here is that you will be concentrating on painting, something really creative, artwork. You will be concentrating in singing, dancing, or something really creative. Okay, so let's see who's coming up for your love energies now, guys. Scorpios. Okay, Scorpio, so if you think that this person, actually I see here that this person left you because maybe what they told, and maybe they told something before leaving you, maybe they gave some reasons, obviously, and those reasons were right, because we have the Bear in reverse. This person was not hiding anything from you, and it's just like, for some of you guys, I really think this person came into your lives. They were your soulmate, obviously. They came into your lives to teach you some things and to make you progress and to make you go achieve your goals. This person actually entered your life to actually make some changes in your life, make you to achieve your goals, or to really get going with your life. Okay, that's why this person came into your life, and they left because they thought maybe you deserve a better person, or they thought maybe you are someone really nice and you are so caring, loving, kind, and blah blah blah, and you cannot stay with them. Maybe they felt like you have so much more dreams that they cannot accomplish for you, or they cannot do anything to accomplish your dreams, or they felt like you are a person who actually does what he or she wants, and they cannot actually satisfy you on all levels. Maybe you both are different, and this person cannot satisfy all your dreams, or they cannot give you your some things like whatever you expect from them. Okay, and that's the main reason why this person is kind of in this sick energy. They don't know what they're doing, and actually they left you because of that, because they felt like they cannot help you to achieve your dreams, as well as they cannot be this person who can support you. Okay, maybe they have a different lifestyle, you have a different lifestyle, everything is different about you, and this person, that's why they left you. But I also think, Scorpios, your dreams will give you answers, guys. Whatever it is, make sure you pay close attention to your dreams. For some of you, I see here that you're getting dreams of unknown people, or you're getting dreams about something or the other, which is kind of representing, if you usually get a dream of an unknown person, it is a good angel or good omen, whatever you think, okay, whatever you believe in. So that's what I feel. So if you've got any dreams where you see an unknown person helping you or something like that, I see here that there was an unknown person helping you. For some of you, you're getting dreams like that. So it might even be in your lives, you once like an unknown person helped you on your street, or like you feel like something very different is happening around you. Okay, but that is just good. You don't have to think much about that situation. Okay, but I definitely see here that your dreams will give you answers, so make sure that you pay close attention to your dreams. Okay, your dreams will actually, like, if you have many doubts on why your life is like this and why everything is turning out the way it shouldn't turn out the way, if you think too much about everything, if you're like so confused and you want things to go right in your life, and if you have so many questions like I do, generally I take note of my dreams. Like, I have a dream journal where I write down about my dreams and research on those dreams and write down the meanings. So when you do that every day, you will see the progress. Actually, you will even notice that some situations that actually happened in your dream is kind of manifesting in your physical reality. Okay, or you might find like in the dream you were so excited about something, but maybe you couldn't remember why you were excited, but in the physical reality, maybe that day, maybe that night you had a dream, and that day you will actually see a situation where you are kind of excited about everything. Okay, so you have to pay close attention to your dreams, Scorpios. That's what I see here. So this is all I have for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Your lucky color for today is pink and your lucky crystal for today is opal. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow.